Well, I've just been down to my local Lidl's and it's like Christmas for me. I've just picked up all these cheap little Parkside tools that I will be reviewing on my channel. Check it out. Parkside Cordless Planer Brushless. £35 in Lidl's. Here's your manual. A little spanner, a planer, dust extraction port, just over 50mm cut, your battery indicator and your depth level adjustment. Cut in depth from 0 to 2mm. Safety switch, also if you take that out, put it on the other side, then your sawdust will eject from the left hand side or the right hand side. You can also remove that and put your dust extraction port in, so you connect your hose to your vacuum, and that can be done on either side. There we have a Allen key for adjusting your blades, conveniently stuck on the side of the machine. One handy thing that I do like is when you put the dust port extractor in, make sure you put it in the right way. My Evolution dust bag fits it perfectly. Set in 2. Set in 3. Dust extraction is not very good on it, in all honesty. Most of it's flying forward. I don't think there's anything in the dust extractor. set in 4. But yeah, well impressed for £35. I have a DeWalt XR planer as well. Obviously this isn't going to be as good, but I will do a comparison video shortly. But yeah, for the money, absolute bargain. Brushless motor, 12 volt system, and as we all know, it's a copy of the Bosch Professional.